Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2020 Ford Ranger, stock on the 7035. Straight from the 6th, 2015 to the 4th, 2022. There's a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine, but got a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear aftermarket 18-inch wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, tyre mirror, front caddy slot, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,